Hello guys, today we present to you on how to calculate scores and comparing by using Mips programming. So the platform that we will be using is QT-Spin and Notepad++. So for the first step, we will open the Notepad++ and new file save as. Okay, let's save at desktop. The name is, we change to Archery marks. Okay, and for the format we'll be using ASM format, assembly language source file. Okay, then save. So for the first step we will type .data. This is necessary for using Mips programming. And then we'll have the axis for mark 1. This is for see out to input the first mark. So as you can see, the coding is mark 1. The axis input the first mark. Okay, we will be doing the same until we achieve the 10 marks. So they will basically have 10 lines. The next step is text. For text we will have main. In the main we have the register, $sign V0 and $sign A0. Okay. Contestant 1. This is for contestant 1. This call is for outputting the headers. Yeah, that's what we call it. Yes, this belong for contestant 1. Okay, then we are done for mark 1. For inputting score for mark 1, then the next one for mark 1 will be showing. So we will use $sign V0 and move to $sign T0. So we'll be copying this to we'll be copying this thing and repeat for 10 times. 10 and ST9. Okay, then we're done for inputting the score. Okay, next for calculating the score for contestant 1. Then we'll be using add for calculate the score. So $sign A0 is the sum of mark 1 and mark 2. So as $sign T0 represent mark 1 and $sign T1 represent. Then we'll be using the same thing for the next steps. And we change the register number. So S1 will hold the total of the 10 marks for contestant 1. Okay, then we're done for contestant 1. Then we'll be doing the same thing again for contestant 2. We'll be repeating the same instruction for contestant 2. We'll copy and paste for the same instruction for contestant 2. Okay, we'll change contestant 2 since it's contestant 2 mark. And the other will stay same until we change the last one for $sign 2. And then we'll go out again and write the coding for contestant 2 since we didn't write earlier. Okay, then we use mark for contestant 2. Okay. So with that, we are done for contestant 1 and contestant 2, inputting marks and calculating the score. Okay, for the next step is to determine the first and second place. Set less than, which is SLT. So $sign A0 will hold the value of true and false, which determine for. So we'll be using BQ, which stands to branch equal to 0. So if the $sign A0 equal to 0, it will jump to else. So for the else is so LI $sign V0 4, and the next line is LA $A0, the winner 1 and syscall. The LI $V0 and 10. And the whole program. So that will determine the winner 2. We declare what is the winner 2 at the first one, winner 1. So we'll be typing the winner 1. So winner 1 is meaning for the winner 1 is the first place is contestant 1 and the second place is contestant 2. So that's the meaning for the winner 1. Okay. So if the condition is correct, so for the winner 2, which is LI $V0, the winner 2. Okay. So LA $A0 and the winner 2. So that's the coding for winner 2. Syscall. And then we'll be declaring the winner 2. So same like the winner 1. We'll be using the same. So the winner 1 is mean the ICs. The first place is contestant 2. Okay, and then after that we'll be exiting the whole program, which means the ending of our coding. Okay, we will exit the looping. Okay, we type in exit, and then we will jump to exit, which is LI $V0 10. Okay, this means the ending of the whole program. This is called. Okay, now we run the program. Okay. File we'll be using Qt Spin to run the file. So go to file, reinitialize and load file. So search for our file name, which is Archery mark. Run the program. So input the first mark, which is sec2 4 6 7 10 2 3 1 1. Okay, done. So the first place is contestant 2 and the second place is contestant 1. So our Mips coding is successful. We're done. So okay, so I hope that you guys can understand the Mips programming by using Node++ and Qt Spin. So make sure there is no error and hope you guys will be successfully doing this too. Thank you. That's all for us.
Bye.
Bye.
Who is from us?